Welcome to Rusty and Dusty Productions. Have you ever witnessed the raw beauty of the Kruger and Marloth Park come to life? Join us on an adventure as we explore the hidden gem of a private game reserve within Marloth Park, home to 4 of the Big Five. Payment can be made at the entrance gate, but please note that it's cash only. Once paid, you will receive a permit with a detailed map on the back, clearly marking the entire park. Along the way, there are signs, making it almost impossible to get lost. Please note that the roads here are not like Kruger's gravel roads. A high clearance vehicle are required. For some reason, the animals here are a bit wilder than those in Kruger and tend to be more wary of cars as you approach them. If you enjoy Lake Panic bird hide, then this is the next best spot for birdwatching. Just imagine how this spot will look at sunrise. Pack some snacks and coffee and spend a few hours in the hide. Vulture's Viewpoint is a spot where you will always find vultures. Please be warned that the smell can be horrendous at times, depending on the wind direction, as the park disposes of all dead carcasses here for the vultures to feed on. If you're lucky, you might also spot lions in this area as they are also using this spot to feed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for the upcoming series with Dusty and Rusty as we embark on a 17-day trip through Kruger National Park.